This tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Subway Surf game app. So if you want to get the latest version of this game, the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, by updating your game, you'll be able to get the latest version of this game and also fix security issues as well as bugs. To do so, you need to access the game app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. Now, for my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the game through Play Store. So if I go ahead and tap on Play Store, I'll search for the game and here's the game. So I need to get the latest version of this game. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, we have the option to update this game. So to update it, I'll proceed and tap on update. And then this will go ahead and download the latest version of this game and install it on my smartphone. Now, once the installation is done, you can see now the button has changed to play, meaning now I can open this game and start playing with the latest features that are on this app. So this will come with the latest features and the latest updates that have been done on this app, and therefore I'll be able to play the latest games. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.